Hello guys, welcome back. Today again we are going to talk about or do the diagnosis of another website to see how we can make that website better, make that website work for the business, and identify or learn from those how it can be rectified and should not be repeated by anybody else. All right. So just hold on. Let me share my screen and then we can move ahead further. All right. So here is a business. I'm not really going to disclose the name of the company. Probably I will try to mask it up wherever it's possible. So here the purpose is again, let me tell you very clearly, the purpose of doing this exercise is not to defame or do any bad mouthing for any organization. The purpose is solely meant for learning, trying to get information knowledge that can be used by the company or the people who are in the same fraternity and they want to make their business portfolio better. They want to improve it and scale it. So purpose is very, very clear and intention is very clear. This is all for the educational purpose. All right, let's keep diving. So right now you could see, I think I have been really looking at many websites in the past, and I must say I just love this website's look and feel. The amazing fonts, beautiful spacing, and the most amazing part in this whole thing is the this image what you see on the screen technically is a video which is really shot well and displaying the company's products in a very beautiful way. Amazing lighting, amazing color, no doubt about it. But it has really taken my entire attention. Followed by, then we look at they have really categorized the entire products into various categories, which is again a very beautiful stuff, very neat and clean, and absolutely fantastic. Followed by go down further, then they have got something about the some storyline that I want. Basically, it is about the dining part. I mean the shop dining category. Then they got to see the top products from their portfolio. And looking at the price, I could say certainly this seems to be on a mid to premium size segment probably they are catering to. It's very beautiful, amazing. I say I would love to say it. They have maintained a uniformity about the product presentation on the website. Beautiful white background for the images, and on the mouse over, they are actually able to give. I think some places they have really given the actual picture. How does it look like? But otherwise, they have got it. But I think there here you can actually look at if you want to maintain one kind of a theme that could be actually nice, so that people are able to see and exactly how it is going to happen. Otherwise, in some places you've got something like this, and some places you are going to have a different look and feel, which is not a great thing to do, but I think it is, if you can maintain a uniformity, it would be nice. All right, let's come down further, then we evolve. So go down further, then probably here got different categories. People can just move on, explore. As I said, I just love the design. It is absolutely fantastic. Killing. Very well. Then on the homepage only, then probably they have got something called design services. So again, beautiful way. I love it. I just love it. All right, then paid registration, then visit our store. There are a couple of things. But I think here, see, I mean, one thing I could say here, point out here is probably if this could be linking to. So here, probably if you ask me, this is a nice to look, but I think if it can be replaced by some more meaningful data, probably it will be more meaningful and useful for the visitors. Or they could have a link. So if you see here on the contact us, there is no link at all. Request a catalog, there's no link. Visit our showroom, there's no link. Registration, there's no link. So probably or maybe looks like it is a half done work, which might be still in the process. But nevertheless, it is where what it's all about. Then we got to see again, nice thing. They have really linked their Instagram handle onto the website, which is good. But I think they could also do one nice thing with, I'm assuming, let's say look at this image onto Instagram. No, my bad. Right. So here, if you look at this particular post, so done on December 3rd, and looks like it is done, but not really given a lot of thought in terms of giving some kind of storyline, giving some kind of important info. Maybe they could have really used to have some kind of engaging content using the hashtags or linking it to the tagging it to some people, designer in the organization that helps the content to reach to a larger audiences. So right now, from this particular aspect, probably I'm not able to see a lot of stuff here. Probably, let me see if I can go to their Instagram handle on the website. Okay, so the irony is, see, if I'm trying to, let me go from here. 4,774 followers. All right. 441 love. 334. I think this is nice. Their content is certainly liked by people, which is good. Very nice. Very nice. So I think, yeah, if you look at this is what I was talking about. So if they can make use of, they can tag people, they can use hashtags. So that will make the content go to a larger audiences organically. This is nice. Beautiful content. I just love it. I must say they have really taken a good attention towards presenting their product with beautiful images and beautiful videos. And I think this is the key for their business to grow. All right, let's come back to the website further. All right, so this is good. Now below in the footer part, we got to see some more stuff. But again, here, see if you look at this is dummy content, use this area. So looks like still either the work is happening on the website or maybe it just got overlooked by someone. Okay, fair enough. All is good. Now let's move quickly. So once we have seen the home page right now, we can go to inside one of our page. Let's say go to the sofas here. Right, beautiful pictures again. If I click on the product page, so product size, add to cart, buy now. Very good. Beautiful. I think see this is where I see a great work is being done, but but see read more. They would read more, but nothing is there for read more. Detail, nothing is mentioned. Oh my God. See, this is what I say blunder mistake. This is certainly, please see our limited warranty for details. So when I click on this, looks like it is taking people to arahos.com and Arahos is the parent company or another company. We really do not have any idea about it. Okay, so and this is from which country? We have no idea. There's no mention of the country or location. It's just an address. I think if I look at the phone number wise, so 866, it must be some country. I have to check it out. Okay, so I think this is uh, one thing which I personally feel is not good to have, because here you are making people go to another website which is not really part of this business. We are talking about Samurai Homes, but here content is referring to something Arahos pieces. And by the way, I'm seeing this website for the first time. All right, so it's the same. So looks like it's all the stuff here. Everything is more pointing towards the Arahos. Typing written is also Arahos. So I have really literally no idea if it is the same website, same business, or different business altogether. Now, customers looks well up, looks like again this was left as it is because it has got everything which does not seems to be the product from this business. All right, so let me see something else. So it's all the same way. Good. I like it. Design wise, I said, right, it is fantastic. Now let me go to the design services part. Okay, start here. Oh, so one thing which is, so this particular section is just an image. Can you see here? It is an image. And I personally feel uh, wherever you got a text, you should have a text version of the content rather having something on an image written as a text, because either the best way is you can really make it better and you can have a text embedded here on this. Not a good thing to happen. Probably it could be changed, right? Is it mood boards or mod boards? Small mistake. Okay, it's mood board. All right. Anyway, so great. Designs as we see now, we go to our store. So yeah, this is nice. So I like that this business is purely, primarily looks like they are having their physical store and which is in a prominent locations, mostly visited by foreign tourists. So I think keeping that in the mind, they are really able to put it to the place where people have got money and they can go ahead with that. I think this is nice. I love it. Great idea. Okay, so I think this is what we have seen right now. So now let's deep dive further. Is this website, what is the, no, let's, before I move on to that part, let's talk about what is the purpose of this website? Why so much of investment has been done in making this website? If I really talk about the investment part, I'm sure the party might have paid maybe roughly around 2 lakh to 3 lakh rupees for making the entire website. And more or less, if you look at here, the website is powered by Shopify. So it means they've also got the e-commerce built on the website, which is a nice thing. So it is very clear that this company is into physical retail stores. They are opening from there. Parallelly, they also sell the products through online platform. Okay. So keeping that in the mind, now let's say we are not really going to talk about the physical store location part, but but looking at one thing which I could say, like if you see here, Samurai Homes in Rajasthan, they just got one review, right? And I think here in Goa they've got 10 reviews. For business like this, having this much of reviews does not really contribute to a good customer feedback. Because whatever scale of the business is, people want to know about their brand business, what people are talking about them on the internet, especially when you go on to the e-commerce model. It is important, should not be neglected. I personally feel about it. Okay, now let's come back. So yeah, so I was saying this primary motive of this website is to cater to the people's interest or searching for luxury, ultra luxury interiors, or I could say decor products for the living, dining, or bedroom stuff. That is on the physical store. People on the internet, if they want to know more about this company, for them, it services them with the basic information about the company. Secondly, as they got the e-commerce thing to Shopify, so selling seems to be their next second business objective from this website which they are trying to fulfill. Now, keeping those the things, so now we will try to see, is this website currently helping the business in terms of making a revenue? So how the revenue model will go ahead right now? So first thing first, there are two ways this company would be making money through online. One, customers who physically visit the store, they are experiencing it, then they are being told, in case you want to place an order, you can go to our website, place an order. It means customers are told there on the store that they can visit the online store to place an order from any part of the world. It can be placed an order and they can service it, they can sell it, they can ship it to them wherever they are. Second model could be people who are looking for super premium luxury stuff. They go to the internet, search about it, go to the website, experience the product online, and place an order. Period. Now, we are very much concerned about the second part of the job, which is all about how does this website is contributing towards their business sales. So for that, we will try to again now try to see if the website is really making money and how the money will company will be making. So simple procedure is which we call as a funnel. If people are coming to the website, X number of people are coming to the website. From those X number of people, some people might go to the product page. And some people who went to the product page, out of that, some people might go to the respective add to cart stuff and they might go into the further bottom line to do the transaction. So if we look at the bigger picture, if 10,000 people are coming to the website, then we could assume the basic math like 1% would be the typical conversion the website should be getting on a monthly basis, right? So we say if 10,000 visitors, or maybe not even 10,000, I say let's say 1,000 visitors on a monthly basis. So it means now we need to know if or does the website attracts those many visitors on the website? Yes or no? We will check it out. So how do we check? So we go to the same tool which we remember we have been talking about, Semrush. So in that case, we have placed this website here. And let me add the data. Oh yeah, here we go. So here we have already got this summaryhomes.in. Now let's understand the ecosystem. So currently the website, if I look at it, let me do the worldwide. So the website, if I look at the current stage of the website content is not picked by any of the GPTs. So the visibility in the AIs is not anywhere, which I personally feel, as I said earlier, that it is on a gray area which needs to be addressed as quickly as possible. Now let's look at the SEO data. See, the website is not having great authority. Authority means the content on the website is not having an authority which can make people stick to the website. But this numbers, authority score depends on various factors, the number of backlinks you get, the good content, what you write onto the citations, back, many things are there. So based on that, this particular tool gives you the score, which is, if you ask me, this is not a great site. It needs to be improvised. Anyways, so right now we could see the website is getting around organic traffic 65, not doing any campaign on Google. Referring domains are 44. It means the company has started doing the SEO activity. Traffic share as of now is 0%. You're not visible on the searches for any keyword. Organic keywords, you're ranking for 8 keywords as of now. And the website has got in totality 59 backlinks. So looks like the company has started the SEO activities very recently. So let's go down further. Oh yeah. So AI search is zero. So let me go to Google search. So Google search, they are getting right now 65 visitors as per the current data coming from 8 keywords. And out of that, if I look at this worldwide, from India, they're getting 65 visitors, which is coming from 5 keywords. And the website is appearing in Google search for 3 keywords, but not attracted any traffic. And the graph is really giving a very great picture. So you could see from January 7th, the website has attracted, sorry, on January 9th, probably I could say, January 7th, the website has got 65 organic traffic. Since then, these numbers are intact. I don't know why it is so intact, but it is intact. All right, now let's see other data. So right now, when you look at the website, so for one keyword, they are ranked on top 1 to 3 results. 4 to 10, there's no keyword. 11 to 20, this for one keyword they are ranking. 21 to 50 for 2 keywords, and so on and so forth. All right. Non-branded, it says 100%. Branded keywords are 0%. That's a good thing to happen. Now here we are going to see the data in terms of which keywords are actually bringing in the traffic. So here, if you look at Samurai Exports Jaipur, this is a keyword which is an intent of informational, seeing on first position, and search volume is of 140, and 100% traffic is coming through this keyword. So all the 65 keywords, sorry, 65 visitors, what you saw has came from Samurai, because other keywords are not bringing any traffic, if you look at here. But yes, for other keywords, they have started ranking on Google. Jaipur Furniture Online, this is a nice keyword. Export company in Jaipur. This is a very vague, because export companies are suspect. No, your actual buyer will not search for this keyword. Handicraft exporter in Jaipur, this is a nice keyword. Furniture manufacturer in Jaipur is also a nice keyword. So I think for these keywords, the positions are not so great. This needs to be worked upon. Right? So commercial keywords, there are 4 commercial keywords for which you're ranking, but you're not getting any traffic. For one informational keyword, you are getting the traffic. This is what we saw here. All right. Rest is okay. So probably will not go to that side. Yeah. So looking at this data, as you said, the company has got great website, but looks like they have started working on the SEO part, and it needs to be worked very heavily. Now, from the other part, when I look at, so I was just trying to see parallelly if there are companies into luxury or ultra luxury products, then what things are done by the other competition. So I was just trying to look at one of another great brand, Stanley. Most of the people know about it from South India, right? So we could see, I mean, they have got really nice product. Wow, it's amazing. Beautiful info. Beautiful info. Similarly, I was looking at another website, the Rabia.in, another great website. Let me just talk about it here as well. Nice. Good, good, good. Then we have got another one, goodearth.in. Beautiful website again. They both look the same by the way, but it's okay. And this is another one from luxurythecarigars.com. So this is good website. Okay, now I was also checking the about us. So looking at the history, the legacy, 1974, pretty old company. And as you said, looking at the business model, they have been operating primarily into the retail format, or maybe they would be exporting quite heavily worldwide. But looking at that point of view, I could say if they are going to run a digital to sell, it is high time to do a lot of changes on the website to make it do well. All right, so I think today I'm really going to talk about this website thing, what we talked about. From the export point of view, there are a few more things which can be talked about, but for that, I will look at some more time. I will do some more deep research before I do any work onto that part to showcase you what else can be done by the company if they're trying to tap the export market. All right. So I will see you next time doing the diagnosis of any other website. In case you want me to do analysis of any particular industry and want any insight from me, you can put me in the comment and I would be happy to look at that kind of business, find some of the competitions or companies, and we can do some nice research about that company. All right. So till the time, keep learning, keep working hard.